On July 6, 2025, deputies responded to Fort Lauderdale-Hollywood International Airport after a woman attempted to force her way onto a plane after she was denied boarding.
What happened? So she was denied boarding and
Yes.
what?
She's trying to force her way into the plane.
I'm a psych nurse practitioner, so don't do any of this walk, because this is on the video. I literally gonna sue all of you. My seat is 35 feet. I've been recording. This is on the video.
Put down the phone, please. Put down the phone.
Don't touch me.
Put down the phone, please.
Can I take this backpack off, please?
No.
Just real quick. Let me talk to you, all right? Come on.
You are hurting.
I'm not hurting
Trying
you.
to.
No.
We're not trying to. Just let's walk this way.
We're not
You are
trying to.
hurting me.
We're not trying to. Trust me.
What do you mean you're not trying?
Just detaining you right now
Like,
for your
it hurt.
behavior. Don't resist. Don't resist.
Ma'am,
I
do that.
will resist.
Don't resist.
Don't touch me.
Just put your hands behind your back. All right?
Just relax.
I haven't done
Okay,
anything
relax.
wrong.
I'm gonna go talk to you.
Figure it out.
I'm
We're
a
gonna-
nurse practitioner and I'm going
What's wrong?
to work.
What
Put your hands
happened?
behind your
I
back.
had a few
Put your hands
cocktails.
behind your
That's all
back.
right.
He's
We'll work it
hurting
out.
me.
No, it's
Okay.
not hurting you. Just relax. Relax.
All right, let's have a
Where you
figure out what we got going on.
I can't move. It hurts.
Where are you from?
What are you doing?
Where are you from?
Here you go.
I'm Ukrainian
Sit down.
American.
Have a seat.
What are
There
you
you
doing?
Just put your legs out here.
There you go.
What are you doing?
Relax. Now talk to us.
My dad died of stress.
Relax. Relax.
I'm a trouble
Stop
nurse.
crying. Tell us what's going on.
How much did you have to drink? Just talk to me with this.
I had 3 cocktails.
How much?
That's because of your actions there, so we have to detain you.
My period. It hurt. I swear to Jesus.
Okay, let's start with this. What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your
Hello. You can't force yourself down the jet bridge there. You understand? What's your name? Calm down, relax.
Do we have a boarding pass for her? Or no?
Yes.
Where was it?
Yeah.
It's on the ground. Okay, so relax.
A woman denied boarding attempted to push into the jet bridge. At Fort Lauderdale Airport, deputies responded. 2 charges followed. Under Terry v. Ohio, 1968, an investigative detention requires reasonable, articulable suspicion. Airline staff reported erratic behavior, alcohol odor, and a forced entry attempt. That threshold is met. Graham v. Connor, 1989, requires force to be objectively reasonable from the officer's perspective at the moment of contact, not in hindsight. The subject verbally stated she would resist and offered passive, physical resistance. Deputies used soft, empty hand control only. Under Graham, that is proportional.
Like and subscribe.
Okay? The cuffs are just for your sake.
Oh my God, it's
Here
close.
we go, over here.
Spaces like this.
Yeah, let me see. Try to try. Yeah, try to try.
How do you say your first name? Bola?
It's Oya.
What is it?
Oya.
Olya? Okay. Do you take medicine? Do you take medicine?
No, if you cocktails, I just become chit-chatty.
Okay, so you had a couple cocktails, you became chit-chatty. Did you take any medicine with that
I don't
stuff?
take medicine.
You don't take any medicine? Okay. Do you have an issue
I'm
with
healthy.
do you have an issue with alcohol?
No.
No? Okay,
I just,
you understand that you cannot force your way down this way.
I haven't been forced in it. I just was trying to board and sit comfortably, but it's been a few hours delay. And I have another flight to catch. This is the connector for me to go to New Hampshire. I work in a psych facility with kids.
Okay, obviously she's not flying, correct?
I'm flying. I'm flying. I'm flying. I'm gonna be sleeping. I'm just gonna have water and sleep for the whole flight.
If you're intoxicated, we can remove
I'm not
the
intoxicated. I'm fine. That's my baseline of being fine. I
The
promise.
issue here is that she's scared of the 5 deputies because she tried to force her way onto the plane. We have to close the door and stop
stop the boarding process.
So she
Yeah, let's go
bypassed you down
outside.
that
Yeah.
way?
That's absolutely not, and that's what he was telling me when I was in the line. He said, "Come outside,"
I told you.
and
come
I'm a
outside.
female, and this intimidates me. And when a male comes up to me and says, "Let's go outside talk," it makes me want to ninja.
There you go.
Yeah, here we go. But I'm
He's the
gonna.
manager.
So what? He's not a pilot. He's not the plane. He's the manager
Okay. So it is-
who comes up to me in the line and says, "Let's go outside and talk." No, sir. I would like to board my plane and go to work.
All right. So explain to me exactly what happened. She was boarding the flight and at which time?
No,
From the
she-
beginning, come up here. Go ahead.
It's got boarding pass, and then she goes inside. So the agents tell me that she looked a little off.
Well, she was saying things walking down. At first, I thought she was on the phone.
And then as I'm walking out, she starts talking to me out of the blue. And I thought she was on the phone.
While
but
you were
she-
down there?
I was walking out, right? There's a line
Come
here.
back to the
Yeah.
bottom. Okay.
So I thought she was on the phone with a headset, but she was talking to me, and then she started talking to passengers randomly. And
Here's her
people
on
were yeah, some of the passengers were caught by surprise. They didn't know what to say. So I turned around and I asked her if is everything all right. So she says she's none of your business. Get out of here. And I can smell alcohol. So I tell her, do you mind? Let's go outside. Let's talk about it. 'Cause initially,
Tried to bring her back.
yeah, I never put my hands on her.
Yeah.
I just say, could you
Okay.
please go outside and I'm going to put you on the next flight. I'm going to give you time to sober up. But she kept walking to the point that I have to go down, talk to the flight attendants, explain the situation. And then she became loud. She said, let me go in. So we have to close the door. And at that point, then I call the county. So that's just what happened.
So you tried to bring her back?
Yes, to have a conversation, to
she-
rebook her on the next flight.
And she
But
said,
she didn't want to go. She didn't want to get rebooked.
Then she
kept
started
walking
cursing FSUF.
all this was
inside the jet bridge.
We
and
asked
she
her to
tried
come
to get
off,
onto the,
and even customer says, "Hey, there's kids here." And you mother, just she was good.
Gotcha.
I know I'm a nurse practitioner, fiance.
So did she ever make entry onto the plane? And no, they kind of stopped.
No, we have to close the door.
We had to close the
So you
door.
closed the door.
Yeah.
So she never did
No, she
actually.
never did.
Okay, so basically it was her disturbance in the
Correct.
good.
Correct.
Gotcha. So you're denying the boarding, or what are you? So she never did make entry onto the plane. It's more or less y'all got
Correct.
into a verbal dispute right
Yes.
here in the plane.
We were trying to prevent her from coming into.
Okay, so she didn't like breach the plane or anything. That was my main concern. Stop the plane from normal operations.
Right.
Okay.
No, that's what I say when I call her.
Okay.
She's trying to force her way.
Okay, cool. So you engaged her inside of the jet bridge, asked her to turn around, and became a verbal disturbance basically
Yes.
at that time. Okay, I understand. So that's a different ball of wax than actually breaching the plane, and that's why I wanted that clarification.
She tried. She did
Gotcha.
a good job. You shut that door quick.
The like and
Florida Statute Section 877.0 to 3, disorderly conduct requires conduct that outrages public decency or disturbs the peace of witnesses. Profanity with children present and a physical push into the jet bridge satisfy this standard. Florida Statute Section 856.011, disorderly intoxication requires intoxication in a public place, causing a public disturbance. The subject admitted drinking. Her conduct forced closure of the aircraft door and halted boarding. Both elements are present. Notably, the subject never breached the aircraft itself. Federal Statute, Title 49, United States Code, Section 46504, interference with flight crew, requires actual presence aboard the aircraft. It does not apply here. The deputies correctly limited charges to state-level offenses only. That is legal precision, not leniency.
Listen, when you were drinking today, did you take any
Here.
medication? Any medication at all?
I don't take drugs.
Okay, but I'm saying you don't take any prescription drugs that might have counter-affected you with the alcohol?
No.
Okay.
I have something from my tree.
It's not going to stand by the copy of Bolo.
Thank you. 3 hours.
Respect to all units. gonna be Lauderdale-Hollywood at 1530 North Federal Highway in the auto zone, record 41. Armed robbery.
If you keep it down, I can take you a little bit closer up. It's cooler.
Subject
You want that?
point at the time.
Well, you got to keep it down, okay? Yeah.
Put your feet up here. We're gonna help you out. Please.
I'm gonna take Lyft or Uber.
Hey, you want to go back to the checkpoint?
You good?
Yeah.
Going off.
You're working today, Amano.
Jesus.
She was charged with disorderly conduct and disorderly intoxication in a public place.
Deputies grade B. Force was proportional. De-escalation was actively used and effective. Charge selection was accurate, deducted for failing to verbally advise. The basis for detention and absence of on-camera welfare assessment. Subject grade C+. Personal grief and anxiety carry no weight under Section 856.011, stating I will resist increased criminal exposure and physical risk. Eventual cooperation and honest disclosure are credited, but do not offset the conduct that triggered the lawful contact. Airline supervisor, grade A-. No unlawful force, accurate and structured witness statement, correct decision to close the aircraft door. Minor deduction for ambiguous initial communication that may have accelerated the escalation. 3 lessons. First, officers must verbally state the basis for detention. Silence on this point creates legal exposure. Second, passive resistance is not legally neutral. Under Florida statutes, Section 843.022, obstructing an officer without violence is itself a first-degree misdemeanor. Third, intoxication in a public place combined with any operational disruption meets the Florida statutory threshold. Cause and circumstance are mitigation at sentencing, not a defense. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam,